Hello everyone. This is our hex bolts factory. We engineer high-strength hex bolts trusted by industries worldwide. Precision cut, heat treat, and rigorously tested. Every bolt meets global standards. From carbon steel to A4 stainless. With custom coatings for any environment. Our product range includes drilled and slotted bolts, flange bolts, heavy hex twist-off bolts, hex head bolts, hex socket head cap screws, high-strength heavy hex bolt assemblies, special fasteners, special shaped fasteners, stainless steel hex bolts.